Are you in a marina for an extended period of time and looking for a way to make some extra cash? In today's video, I'm going to show you an opportunity on how you can make up to $500 a day with just minimum skills and tools. Hi, this is Secondhand Sailors. I'm Turner. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. You can make money just by cleaning the bottoms of other people's boats. And all you need to do is have the ability to swim, a mask, and a few simple tools that you can buy at Walmart. Besides a mask, you're going to need a few simple tools. You'll need a 6-inch broad knife. It's usually a putty knife, and you can round the corners off on some concrete so you're not to scratch anything. You'll need a grill scrubber pad, a brush, and this makes things really easy, a little easier, is if you got a little suction cup and you get those online and you stick them on the side of the boat, and that's how you can hold yourself in place. And then they come off and you can swim away. Renee and I have been cleaning our own bottom on the boat here for years, so we've collected some toys, some little advanced tools, like some fins that we can wear. We've got a Ryobi underwater scrubber, and it's waterproof. We have us a cylinder with a 50-foot hose. It's a little hookah system and a regulator, so we can stay under the water extended periods of time and clean under the bottom and don't have to keep coming up for air. Now, the process we've come up with over the years is we start off on a water line, and we use the little grill scrubber. It knocks off all the little slime along the edge. And if you need a little more than that, you can usually use a little bitty soft bristle brush like this. You do not want to take off any paint. Then we move down to the back of the boat. We go down the rudder and clean all down the rudder and move forward, cleaning the shaft and the prop. Now, sometimes while you're under there, you may see a barnacle or two, and because we keep up with ours so regular, we don't see very many, but some boats you may see a few more. When you do, you take your 6-inch broad knife that you've rounded your edge, you lay it parallel to the boat, and you simply just slide it along, and it'll knock off any barnacles that's underneath there. Now, while you're under there, it wouldn't hurt to check your zincs. There are two kinds. There's one that mounts on the boat, and then ours mounts on the shaft. They're held together by just 2 screws. If you come up on it and it's a little mushy, falling apart, or it's not there, then simply get with the owner and have them supply your zinc and get underneath there and just screw it back in place. Bam, $25 per zinc. Now, what are you going to charge? Start out with, it's going to depend at the state of the bottom of the boat. If the boat is well maintained and just has slime on it, then most people will charge anywhere up to about $5 a foot on the boat. I wouldn't go any less than $150 just to show up and do any boat. But if the boat looks like it's needing a little more work and you see a few barnacles and things, you can start charging a little more than that. Now, if the boat is in really bad shape like this one, most divers would go with an hourly rate. You got your $150 to show up fee, and then probably $100 an hour I would put on top of that for all the time you spend underneath it. And remember to include your zincs. Any zinc work would be another $25 per zinc. Now, this is just one way you can make a few extra dollars to take your sweetie out for dinner or buy a few extra toys. And I hope you guys found the video very helpful or interesting. And please, if you did, leave a thumbs up. Let us know you liked it. And if you have any questions or comments about any of the tools, cost, or anything, just let us know down in the comments, and I'll make a short that'll address it for you. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out. And remember, till next time, tell your mom and him Turner said hey.
We're in the middle of November. And I'm in the water.
Mississippi.